Marjorie Simodelo, and I'm from in grade 8 Nara. And this is my project performance task in Science 8 at subject teacher, Ma'am Jennifer A. Season. This is Oxalis triangularis. Most common species name is purple shamrock. Oxalis triangularis is commonly called as purple shamrock. It's a species of perennial plant in a family of Oxalidaceae. It is native to several countries in South America. This wood sorrel is typically grown as a houseplant but can be grown outside in USDA climate change. Oxalis triangularis is a large genus of flowering plants in the wood sorrel family Oxalidaceae, comprising over 550 species. The genus occurs throughout most of the world except for polar areas. Species diversity is particularly rich in typical Brazil, Mexico, and South Africa. Oxalis triangularis plays a significant role in its ecosystem, providing nectar and pollen for pollinators. Such ability to fix nitrogen in some species also contribute to soil health, enhancing the fertility of the environment they inhabit. Oxalis triangularis is native to Brazil. This plant is found growing under the canopy of humid forests. This plant has deep purple triangular shape. The tree lobe leaves which are light sensitive, meaning that the leaves will open in the morning and close at night. Oxalis triangularis medicinal benefits. The edible leaves of the plant is known to have a cooling effect on fevers when taken in small doses of no more 2 fluid ones. It can provide some relief from urinary tract infection. Pwede daw po siyang panggamot sa lagnat, yung ano po niya, yung ito po, yung leaves niya po. Thank you po. Bye.